In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate 4K images with Nano Banana 2. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the right workspace, choose the correct model, set the resolution to true 4K, craft a clear prompt, and generate a crisp, high-detail image. Start by opening your browser and searching for Google AI Studio. On the results page, select the official Google AI Studio link to launch the interface. This takes you into the main workspace where you'll set up your image generation session. Inside the studio, locate the model options. First, choose Nano Banana Pro. This opens the family of related models and gives you access to the more advanced options. From there, select Nano Banana 2. That's the specific model we'll use for high-resolution image generation. A quick but important reminder before you proceed. Nano Banana 2 is available on the paid tier. Make sure your account is on a paid plan and that you've linked a valid API key within your account settings. This unlocks higher rate limits and advanced features needed for 4K output. Keep your key private and never paste it into prompts or public fields. With the model active, find the resolution control. Open it to view the available sizes. You'll likely see 1K selected by default. Change that selection to 4K. This targets a 3840 by 2160 output, which offers 4 times the detail of 1080p and is ideal for large displays or print-ready assets. Note that higher resolution can take a bit longer to generate and may consume more quota, so give the system a moment to work. Now type your prompt in the prompt field. Be specific about subject, setting, style, and mood. For example, describe the scene, lighting, textures, camera angle, and any artistic influences you want. Clear, concrete language helps the model understand your intent and fill the 4K canvas with meaningful detail. Keep it concise but descriptive, and avoid sensitive or private information. When you're satisfied with the prompt and the resolution is set to 4K, click Run. The model will process your request and render the image. Once it appears, review the details up close to confirm sharpness, texture, and composition. If you want a different look, adjust your wording for style, lighting, or composition and run it again to iterate toward the perfect result. That's the complete flow. Open Google